Hello. January 2026 is shaping up to be a particularly wet month across many parts of the country, not everywhere. The weekend certainly continued in that changeable theme. For some of us, some heavy downpours, in other areas, some brighter skies too. Through the week ahead, it's still unsettled, so often wet and windy. Chance of a bit of snow over the higher ground in the north this week. But if we look at how much rainfall has fallen so far in January compared to average, well, Aboyne in Highland, there's been 2.5 times the expected January rainfall. Exeter over 1.5 times, for instance, and there's still a week to go of the month where we are expecting more rain. In fact, this is the expected rainfall accumulation for the next 5 days. Wettest weather, eastern Scotland, east of Northern Ireland, but also South Wales and southwest England. So areas that are already very saturated are going to receive more rain. If we look at the pressure set up out in the Atlantic, well, we've got one front spreading in for Monday. We've got this centre of low pressure following on behind that's going to bring plenty more downpours. So for Monday, then, quite a bit of dry weather, actually. Still a bit of showery rain northeast England and eastern Scotland, with further snowfall over the mountains here. It's really mounting up. Rain, though, moving into Northern Ireland, Wales and the southwest of England by the middle of the afternoon. The wind's really picking up here too. Only 5 or 6 degrees with that colder air in the east, but perhaps about 9 or 10 towards the far southwest. This area of rain then pushes its way northwards and eastwards through Monday night. As it bumps into that colder air, we'll see a bit of snow for the Peak District, the Pennines, southern uplands up towards the Grampians, for instance, as well. So it's still quite cold towards the north and the east as we head into Tuesday morning, 3 or 4 degrees in our towns and cities, but milder air working in from the southwest. So a very wet day for many of us on Tuesday. Mostly rain, but some snow for the Peak District, Pennines, the mountains of Scotland and Wales as well, followed by sunshine and showers, and it is going to be blustery with gales developing around some of these exposed coasts in the west. So temperatures 5 to 10 degrees on Tuesday, feeling colder where you've got those strong winds at the rainfall and the mountain snow as well. Into Wednesday, and I think we'll just about be in between weather systems, so probably a window of dry weather for many of us. Still some wintry showers for Scotland. Looks like they clear away fairly quickly before more blustery showers move into the far southwest. But lighter winds, I think we should see a little bit of sunshine. So a bit of a breather, I think, for Wednesday. Still temperatures around average for the time of year, 7 to 10 degrees, but feeling a bit cooler in that breeze. So we're in that battleground between milder air trying to move in from the southwest, colder air on the southeasterly breeze across northern parts of the UK. So still the potential for more hill snow on Thursday, particularly across the north and east of Scotland, but equally over the highest ground of northern England, perhaps North Wales and Northern Ireland too. There will be some scattered showers almost anywhere at this stage, I think, and temperatures between 5 to 10 degrees. So a little bit cool, particularly in the north, touch milder further south. Friday looks like it'll be another day of sunny spells, scattered blustery showers, most of them I think in the north and east, with yet more snow accumulating across the higher ground in the east of Scotland. So 5 to 10 degrees. Looking further ahead, so days 6 to 10 ahead now, and still looks like mild air will try to move in from the south, colder in the north and the east, but the jet stream will be positioned quite far south, and that's going to keep the weather unsettled for the UK and actually much of Western Europe as we head into early February. So yes, unsettled, further wind and rain at times, bit of hill snow possible in the north, temperatures around about average, and you can find more details on our app. Bye-bye.